Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNB Academy. In today's world, food safety and certification have become more complex but also more digital. If you are a certification body, an auditor or a food business owner, this video is for you. We will talk about how modern technology like mobile apps, AI, cloud software and online tools can help you meet the requirements of ISO 22003. A standard that guides how food safety audits should be done. Let's see how tech makes your audits smarter, faster, and more accurate. Now, what is ISO 22003? ISO 22003 is a rule book for how to plan, conduct, and report audits in food safety systems. It works together with ISO 17021-1 and is used for auditing standards like ISO 22000 and FSSC 22000. It defines how much time audits should take, how competent the auditor should be, and what categories of food businesses they audit, like farming, catering, processing, etc. Technology can help follow all these steps in an easier and more organized way. Smart audit planning. Using software. Earlier, people used Excel sheets or calendars to plan audits. Now, audit planning tools can do this smartly. These tools use your past audit records and client risk level to create audit schedules. They even send alerts if an audit is delayed. This saves time and helps follow ISO 22003 rules better. Also, it helps the certification body manage resources efficiently. Keeping track of auditor competence. ISO 22003 requires that auditors should be properly trained and experienced for the food categories they audit. Today, online learning systems and auditor dashboards help maintain this record. You can see who is trained, which courses are completed, and what experience each auditor has, all in one place. This makes auditor selection easier and correct. Using mobile apps for digital auditing. The days of carrying paper checklists are gone now. Now, mobile auditing apps allow auditors to do everything on their phone or tablet. They can take pictures of non-conformities, tick off checklist points, and take digital signatures, even without internet. Later, the data syncs to the cloud. This ensures your audits are professional and completely digital. Remote auditing with video tools. Since COVID, remote auditing has become more common. ISO 22003 allows remote audits under certain conditions using Zoom, Microsoft Teams, smart classes, or pre-recorded videos. Auditors can check processes remotely. With proper risk planning, remote audits can save travel cost and time while still following the rules. Safe storage of records in the cloud. Every certification body needs to keep audit records safe. With cloud-based tools, all audit documents, reports, and certificates are stored in secure servers. These are protected with passwords and encryption. Only authorized people can access them. This protects client privacy and meets ISO 22003's confidentiality requirements. Tracking non-conformities with software. When an audit finds a problem called a non-conformity or NC, it must be corrected. Software tools can now automatically assign corrective actions, send reminders, and track progress. They show what is pending, who is responsible, and when it is due. This improves closing of NCs and ensures everything is traceable. Managing food categories with tech. ISO 22003 divides food businesses into categories A to L, like farming, catering, storage, etc. Using category dashboards, certification bodies can track which auditors are qualified for which category and how many clients fall under each group. This helps plan audits and auditor assignments better. Risk-based audits powered by AI. ISO 22003 says that audits should be based on risk. Today, tools use AI and data analysis to find risky clients based on complaints, past audits, or food recalls. It helps certification bodies plan more frequent or deeper audits where needed, making certification stronger and more useful. Technology makes everything faster and safer. By using digital tools, certification bodies can save time, reduce human errors, improve communication, and maintain proper records. Whether it is audit planning, reporting, storage, or training, technology heads follow ISO 22003 rules more efficiently. To succeed in today's food safety world, certification bodies must embrace digital tools. ISO 22003 gives the framework, but technology makes it practical. Whether you are a small certification body or a global body, using tech will make your work more accurate, faster, and more trusted. Thanks for watching. I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TMV Academy.